everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn chapter 2nd of class 6th civics. Chapter name is diversity and discrimination. Diversity means vibhinnata and discrimination means bhedbhav. These are in MCQ form, so let's try to solve. Question first. Which of the following is not a suitable reason responsible for discrimination? Discrimination means bhedbhav. Options are different religion, different language, different choice. आंसर साथ साथ में कीजिए और लास्ट में मुझे बताना आपके कितने आंसर सही हैं. So right answer is option C, different choice. Next, a common stereotype about dash is that they are not interested in educating girls and therefore do not send girls to school. Options are Hindu, Sikh, Muslims. जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए. So right answer is option C, Muslims. Next, according to government, Dalits are dash. According to government, Dalits are dash. Options are scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, generals. Give answer fast. So right answer is option A, scheduled caste, जिसे आप SC भी कहते हैं. Question 4th. Who was considered the father of Constitution? Father of Constitution. Options are Dr. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad. Father of Constitution. So right answer is option A, Dr. Ambedkar. Question 5th. How many major religions are in the world? Major religions are in the world. Options are 1, 10, 6. Give answer fast. So right answer is option C, 6. There are 6 major religions in the world. Question 6. Dash is a negative aspect in a social setup. Negative aspect in a social setup. Options are good behavior, discrimination, constitution. Good behavior, discrimination, constitution. So right answer is option B, discrimination. Question 7th. Which of the following work is not considered low? Work is not considered low. Options are hair cutting, garbage picking, teaching. जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए. So right answer is option C, teaching. Question 8. Who delivered the speech on the eve of independence? Who delivered the speech on the eve of independence? Options are Rajendra Prasad, M.K. Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Pandit Nehru. Give answer fast. So right answer is option D, Pandit Nehru. Question 9th. Who traveled Kerala a little less than 700 years ago? Who traveled Kerala a little less than 700 years ago? Options are Ibn Bagula, Sant Batuta, Ibn Battuta, Sant Thomas. Give answer fast. So right answer is option C, Ibn Battuta. Question 10th. Which of the following is not the feature of geographical diversity? Not the feature of geographical diversity. Options are India is geographically divided into 4 equal parts. India is a vast country. Some parts of India are very fertile. There are many numbers of races in India. Give answer fast. जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए. So right answer is option D. There are many numbers of races in India. Question 11th. Which is Tibetan national epic? Tibetan national epic. Options are Mahabharata, Kesar Saga, Ramayana, none of these. जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए. So right answer is option B, Kesar Saga. Question 12th. Ladakh is a desert in the mountains in the dash part of Jammu and Kashmir. Options are Eastern, Southern, Western, Northern. Eastern, Southern, Western, Northern. So right answer is option A, Eastern. Question 13th. The weaker and the backward sections of the society are protected by the weaker and the backward sections of the society are protected by the. Options are state, tribes, Dalits, public. State, tribes, Dalits, public. So right answer is option A, state. These sections of the society are protected by the state. Question 14th. Islam was introduced in this region more than dash ago and there is a significant Muslim population here. Options are 500 years, 200 years, 300 years, 400 years. Give answer fast. So right answer is option D, 400 years ago. Next question. Children with special needs are no longer called. Children with special needs are no longer called. Options are disabled, diverse, unusual, prejudiced. जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए. So right answer is option A, disabled. Question 16th. Who belongs to the Meher caste? Who belongs to the Meher caste? Options are Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Rajendra Prasad, B.R. Ambedkar. Give answer fast. So right answer is option D, B.R. Ambedkar. Question 17th. Ladakh is also called. Ladakh is also called. Options are Little China, Little Tibet, Little Japan, Little Afghanistan. जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए. So right answer is option B, Little Tibet. Ladakh is also called Little Tibet. Question 18th. Name the first leader of India who shared his first experience of caste-based discrimination. First leader of India who shared his first experience of caste-based discrimination. Options are Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, none of these. Give answer fast. So right answer is option C, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He was the first leader of India who shared his first experience of caste-based discrimination. Question number 19th. The people of lower caste were not allowed to. Options are enter the temples, sit with upper caste child in schools, take water from village well, all of these. Give answer fast. So right answer is option D, all of these. लोअर कास्ट के जो लोग हैं उनको टेम्पल्स में एंट्री नहीं दी जाती थी. स्कूल में अपर कास्ट के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ नहीं बिठाया जाता था. विलेज वेल से वो पानी नहीं ले सकते थे. ओके, लोअर कास्ट के जो लोग थे उनकी कंडीशन बहुत खराब थी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20th. हु ड्राफ्टेड द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? ऑप्शंस आर डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर, मायावती, कांशीराम, लाल कृष्ण अडवाणी. गिव आंसर फास्ट. So right answer is option A, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So these are MCQs. होप आपने अच्छे से किए और सारे आंसर सही हैं. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताना आपके कितने आंसर सही हैं. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए. और अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं देन प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड प्रेस ऑन बेल आइकन. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे कनेक्टेड, कीप लर्निंग. थैंक यू गाइज.